Let's talk about equations with variables on both sides, okay? This is very, very similar to when we solve with two-step equations, okay? It's a pretty similar process, all right? What our main goal with this is, we want to get all our x's, so all of our variables. So in this case, we have 5x, we have 2x. We want to combine them, just like we're combining like terms, okay? We want to get them all to one side of the equation, either side, okay? So I'm going to start setting this up. I'm going to draw my line through my equation sign. These are still in balance, even though there's two variables, right? And even though there's two lonely numbers, these are still in balance because the equal sign says so. It can be solved. All right, I said I want to get all my x's to one side. I pick, and the easiest way to do this is bringing your smaller number of x's over to your larger number of x's. So I have a larger and a smaller one here, right? 5 is bigger than 2. I want 5 x's and 2 x's. I want it all over on this side. I take it away from this side is what that means. Taking away, how am I going to take away this 2x? It doesn't have anything in front of it, so then we know it's positive. If it's just a positive 2x, we can treat it like it's a plus sign and do the opposite of plus. Subtract it from both sides. When we subtract 2x from here, it'll go away, and we can see what happens over on this side. So, like I said, I want to bring all my variables to one side. Usually by subtracting the smaller amount, okay? Like I said, when I have 2x minus 2x, that's going to cancel out to become a 0, right? If I have 2 x's and I take them both away, it's nothing. The other side, though, if I have 5x minus 2x, I have 5 x's and I take away 2 of them, I have 3 left. So I show that as 3x. And I still have my numbers because I haven't worked with those yet. Just like a two-step equation. Take away my lonely number. I minus 13 on both sides. 3x equals 25. And I divide out by 3. Can leave this as a mixed number, can turn it into, or can leave it as an improper fraction, turn it into a mixed number, turn it into a decimal, up to you. But the most important thing is identifying which side has the smaller number of x's, which we can just figure out by the coefficient, transporting that to the other side, typically by subtracting it away on both sides. We want to keep it in balance. And then solving it like a two-step equation, because usually you're left with a lonely number on one side that's an answer and a x plus something on the other side, which is their expression. Easy breezy.